Part C, how useful are equations in point slope and slope-intercept forms for answering each question? Well, let's have a look back at our work. To answer parts A and B, we did this work here and this work here. Notice they both start off using point slope form, but we didn't have to use that. We could have, instead of using this to find the slope, point slope form, we could have used the slope formula, which is the change in y divided by the change in x. And then after that, instead of using point slope form here, we could have used y is equal to mx plus b. We could have said y is equal to mx plus b, where we substituted some value for x and y that correspond to a given point, substitute in the slope, and then we could find the y-intercept. So then we would have had, let's say we pick this point, then we'd have 456 is equal to negative 76 times 2 plus b, and then bring down my 456, and then negative 76 times 2 is negative 152 plus b, and I want to isolate b, so plus 152 on both sides. So then 456 plus 152 is 608. That's another way that we could have found the y-intercept. However, even though we started in point slope form here, it was only when we got to slope-intercept form where we were actually able to find what the y-intercept was. So ultimately, to find the y-intercept, we need to have slope-intercept form. And we're done.